YouTube, my name is Aspen. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. I will be dropping a lot of different content and videos that I hope you enjoy, and please let me know in the comment section below what I can do better for you. Now let's get to the video. Today we'll be doing a stir fry. I also will be naming what ingredients I put in there, how I did it, the order of the steps I put it in. I will be putting a list of what I use coming up. I also will put it at the very end of my video as well. So with this, I use a long grain rice. I did 2 cups of rice and then 3 cups and a half of water. I used a beef broccoli P.F. Chang's. I did chicken. I only cut 1 breast. I do cook for about 4 to 5 people. I use yellow onions. I use a half of that. Peppers, I use green peppers. I use sweet, red, and yellow peppers. I use zucchini. I only use a half of it. I also use a small can of corn. I did minced garlic. I also use soy sauce, yum sauce, pepper sauce, sea salt, seasoned salt, lemon pepper, accent salt, Mongolian sauce from P.F. Chang's as well, country butter, fresh parsley. While I'm cutting up my vegetables, I was boiling water, and I added my rice once it started boiling. I tend to do my rice first, and that I only did for about 15 minutes. After that, I added my P.F. Chang's beef broccoli, and I also put my veggies in the bowl as well. I put them together. I let them cook on a low heat, so probably about 4 or 5. I have an electric stove. Well, very low, probably like 3, 4, honestly. I cooked it very low, 10 minutes. Then I added the onions and the chicken onto a separate pan, and I cooked that. I did simmer my onions a little bit first before adding the chicken. While that is simmering and cooking. Now with my rice, I use yum sauce. I use a half a bottle of that. I use soy sauce. I use country butter. I use seasoned salt, pepper, and sea salt. I know it sounds like a lot of salty items, but once you add all these salt items in, and you mix it with the vegetables, it comes out really nice taste. Sometimes I put my rice in a crock pot to stay warm. However, today I did not do that because I kind of already have majority of the stuff done really fast. Sometimes I'm cooking a lot of different items, so sometimes having that crock pot to the side definitely does help. Also, one thing I left out, I do use olive oil on my pans before I put anything to it. However, I did not season any of the beef broccoli vegetables before I put them in. With the chicken, I did throw some seasoning on there. I put the lemon pepper, the accent, the seasoned salt, and pepper on my chicken. I also use Worcestershire sauce and sometimes Dell's if I want the taste to go in with the chicken better. If you keep your chicken wet, it will taste so much better and juicy. Once all that stuff is cooked, I will add the Mongolian sauce in. I also added the chicken and the onions into my pan. And then I'll let that cook a little bit for probably about 5 minutes. Once I feel like everything is thoroughly cooked, I then add my vegetables to my rice, and then I mix it, and it comes out with a great taste. I also add Hawaiian rolls as a side dish with my stir fry, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. These are all the ingredients I also used during this process. I appreciate you all so much. If you could please subscribe, I completely enjoy it. Please let me know what items you would like me to cook. Please comment down below, and please give me a good thumbs up. I truly appreciate you, and comment your name down below if you want a shout out in my next video.